Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. For today's video, I will be unboxing this PR package from Born Pretty. They did go ahead and send this over to me. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. I'm so excited to show you guys these colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. So upon opening the box, as you can see, you will get this pamphlet, and it just shows you some instructions how to do your nails with either gel polish, some magnet gel polish, and just some tips and tricks if you've never used gel polish before, so that's really helpful. And I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the package, and they are numbered on top 1 through 6. And I unfortunately did not swatch these for you guys. I am so sorry, I apologize for that, but I will go ahead and demonstrate what the colors look like upon opening the bottles. So go ahead and enjoy seeing the colors, and I'll be back here in a bit. Okay, to get started with the design, I am going to go ahead and take that number 6 color, and I'm going to use that as my base color. And this color is just absolutely gorgeous. This is an absolute perfect color. So if you want to do like some French tips, or just use this as a sheer nude pinkish color as I am right here on the thumbnail, oh my god, I absolutely love this color. I can't say that enough. I highly recommend that you guys visit the links down below in the description box at their website or their Amazon storefront, and you go and you purchase this nail kit, because these pink gel polishes are just beautiful. I absolutely loved them. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. And I'll go ahead and insert a picture of my inspo for today's design. I wanted to go ahead and make it as similar to it as I could. I'm not sure who the creator is. I wish I knew, that way I can give them full credit. But I just want to go ahead and just show you how I am ombreing this middle nail real quick. I do go ahead and do 2 coats off camera, and after I'm finished, I will cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. But I just go ahead and take my ombre brush and just blend it right here in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect, because I'm going to show you a trick here in a minute. I got this trick from Glamify Babe. Before curing for the second layer, she pours some clear acrylic powder over it, and it hides that that line in the middle. I don't know how to describe it, but it actually works, and I was so excited. Thank you so much, Glamify Babe. If you have not checked out her channel, I'll be sure to leave it linked in the description box below. But after you pour that acrylic powder, you do go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and it does hide the harsh line of the ombre. I thought that was so helpful. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this glitter polish in the number 3, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my pinky and my first finger. And I'll just go ahead and apply 2 coats. I am going to do the second coat again off camera, but I will just cure for 60 seconds in between. And then for the ring finger, I wanted to make it like a marble nail, so I am going to go ahead and apply some base coat. I couldn't find my marble, my blooming gel. Sorry, I had a moment there. And I am just gonna go ahead and just apply the same 3 colors that I'm using for the design, and just in random strokes just gonna apply it, and then I'll go ahead and I'll use my ombre brush just to drag it where I want it. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's what a marble is supposed to look like. And then after that, I will go ahead and wipe down the sides so that it doesn't look all bulky, and I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and I will go ahead and do 2 coats. I'll do the second coat off camera, and I'll be back here in a minute. Okay, so here's how the nails are looking so far, and over the glitter nails I am gonna go ahead and apply a layer of base coat just to smooth it out because it was kind of bumpy from the glitters. And I will go ahead and cure for 60 seconds after I apply that. And really quick, I do want to go ahead and thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. We finally have reached 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I am so excited. Whenever I showed my husband, oh my god, I just gave him a big hug. I was just so grateful for all of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I just could not believe it that I've actually made it this far. I've been having my channel now for a little over a year now, and it's been my goal to reach my first 1,000 subscribers, and I did it yesterday. Thank you so much for being here. And I just want to go ahead and mention now it's time for the giveaway. So if you are still here are the rules. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, the rules are you have to comment in my videos from here until the deadline. I'm gonna go ahead and speak with my husband about how long we're gonna let this run for. Okay, so I will be back in the next video with more details, but from here on out, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Make sure you like the video. You have to be subscribed to my channel. It is a US only giveaway. Okay, I unfortunately cannot do any shipments outside of the US right now, but I still appreciate all my international subscribers. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. Okay, let's see. So yeah, comment, make sure you like the video. Okay, make sure you are subscribed. And I do want to do something fun just really quick. I want to mention that from now on, starting in every video, I do want to give shout outs. So the first 3 comments that do comment in my previous video, I want to go ahead and give shout outs to you guys. Okay, I appreciate all of you, every single one of you. So make sure you turn on your notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos. And the first 3 comments, I'll be sure to go ahead and give shout outs in my next video that I post. So okay, those are the rules. Very simple. I do have a TikTok and I do have an Instagram, but I am more active here on YouTube. So if you would like, you can go ahead and follow me on my other 2 social medias. You know, that's fine. I will go ahead and leave those linked in the description box. But for now, that's all you have to do is just comment, like the video, make sure you are subscribed, and it is US only. Okay, so good luck, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. These gel polishes are absolutely amazing. Born Pretty, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe so you're entered in the giveaway. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.